on whiteboard. Let me use whiteboard first. Can you see the screen on the whiteboard on the screen? Is it visible to you all? Answer me. You can answer me also.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good.
I
Okay.
see the screen.
Okay, let me draw a
Yes, sir. I just.
parallelogram. Fine.
Sir, what is this?
I'm drawing a parallelogram, beta.
Really? What you are using?
I'm using Microsoft Whiteboard. Okay.
No, no. What are you using to draw the line?
Just wait for a while. You'll get understand. Okay, let me draw a parallelogram like this. Are you? Hope you are not feeling difficulty while viewing this whiteboard. Okay, everything is prominent to you. I hope so. Nabil, Saad, is it clear to you?
Sir, is it clear?
Okay, good. Thank you. This was 80-degree and this was 60-degree. Fine. Now, beta, this angle was required. You were asked in this activity, you were asked to find this angle, and this angle was angle BDC because BC, we'll start from here, BDC, okay, or you can also call it CDB, okay, fine. Now, uh, beta, now what trick I told you? That the moment you came to know the word parallelogram, you immediately recalled each and every property of a parallelogram. Opposite angles are same in a parallelogram, beta. So if this is 80, this angle would also be 80. Okay, this is also 80. Fine. This is also 80-degree. Let me undo the. Okay, this is also 80. Now, what would be the sum of these two angles? I mentioned earlier that beta you can the two adjacent angles in a parallelogram or the two consecutive angles of a parallelogram are supplementary to each other. I mean to say, let me use a notebook. See here, C angle C plus angle which one? CBD is equal to what? Nothing but 180-degree. Fine. Then what was angle C? Angle C was 80. And what was angle CBD? It was 60. But beta, make sure that you forgot to enter this angle, this whole angle. But we didn't have this angle. Okay. Not only 60, but just wait for a while. You need to add this angle also. Let me call this as X, because beta, the angles, though the angles are supplementary, though the adjacent angles are supplementary, but the whole, this whole angle, but we were not given with this whole angle. We were given with this 60. So we should add 80, 60 and this small portion, which is angle ABD. Okay. CBD plus angle ABD. Okay. Let me move on to the note. Sorry.
Sir, there no voice.
Okay. When I'll not speak, definitely there would be no voice. Angle CBD plus angle ABD. Okay. You need to add this one also and just call this as X plus X equals to 180 degree. From here, beta X comes out to be 40 degrees. Now you said, sir, but we didn't, there was no need to calculate. I mean to say, we were not asked to calculate this angle ABD. But beta, what are these two angles? Can anybody answer me? X, what is the relation between angle ABD and angle BDC? What are these two angles called? Can anybody answer me, beta? I am waiting in the chat room. Can anybody answer what is the relation between the two angles? The one we found and the one which was required. No, so Silis, no, I'm asking the relation between, no, I'm asking what are these two angles? What is the relation between these two angles?
Sir, is
Sorry?
the answer is supplementary angle.
Let me show it to you again.
Yes,
Can you-
supplementary angle, sir.
No, not supplementary. See again. Can you see the screen?
Adjusted angle.
No, not adjacent angle. Beta, see this X and this question mark one. What are these two angles?
The corresponding.
No, not corresponding.
The congruent.
Beta, it is so easy. Acha, let me give you a hint. Is a Z being formed?
Yes, the congruent.
No. See,
The
first tell me, can you see the screen?
yes, how that is formed?
Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, I'm asking that, is this a Z? So if this is X, which is 40 degree, it comes out to be 40 degree. We just solved it.
Interior angle.
No, not interior, you are missing one word. These are alternate angles. Beta, these are alternate angles. Yes, answer. You are right. No, Zawar, beta, they are alternate angles. They are not, they are not interior angles. Fine. Okay, Musa, I think I missed your comment. So, if you said so, you are right. Fine. Okay. Now move on the next slide. Now, beta, be ready. Again, take out a new page. You will be solving the other question. See. Beta, this question.
Yes, sir.
It is basically an MCQ. I want you people to draw this on your copies. Okay, on your rough copy.
Right.
Okay. If anybody wants me to read out loud the question, I may do. Should I start reading? Should I start reading the question?
Lord, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
No, sir.
Okay, I want everyone, Adnan, Saad, Zawar, Ali, start constructing this parallelogram whose data is given in the question. Okay. Be
Try to
very
the
careful.
nine,
Okay.
90, 90,
Beta,
no,
first draw this.
40.
Listen to me. First draw this parallelogram. Mark the given data on the parallelogram. Name the parallelogram, and then start solving what it has asked. Okay. Let me read it out. It says diagonals of a parallelogram ABCD intersect at O. So first, what you will be doing? You will be drawing a parallelogram ABCD. Then draw its diagonals and the meeting point, the point at which both the diagonals cut each other. I mean to say the diagonal AC and BD, the point where they cut, mark it as O. Fine. Then further it states that if angle BOC is 90 degree and angle BDC is 50 degree. So what you have to do? Just mark angle BOC 90 degree and BDC as 50 degree. So be quick, beta.
Answer है 40.
Did you draw the parallelogram in on your copy?
Yes, sir.
What's your name? I am turning off on
My
the
name is
camera.
Saad Rabi from class
Saad
8.
Salahuddin. Okay, let Saad. I'm turning off the your camera. Show
No,
me your.
no, no, sir.
No, I'm saying show me your work on the
Sir,
camera. I want to show it.
my mother say not to open.
Turn on your camera. I want to see it.
Sir,
I
I
will
would
see
not.
it. Na? Saad.
My mother is standing with.
By those who have drawn the parallelogram, show it to me.
For a draw, but I have show. I will be right. That is going in drawing.
Is anybody interested to show his solution on the camera? Turn on if he wants to. He may turn on his camera and show me the solution. Better don't feel shy in showing your solution. Don't hesitate if you have done wrong. Okay, show it to me, please. Arif, have you done with the question? If you have, should I turn on your camera? Who else has done? Please. Abdul has left the conversation.
Sir, I have done.
Who has done? Faraz? Zawal, you have done?
Yes, sir. Sir, only constructed the diagram.
You have only just constructed the diagonals?
Yes,
So where
sir.
is the one?
Sir, can I
Acha.
show? Sir, can I show?
Should I know how did you constructed the Acha, whose work is this?
Sir, mine, Zawal.
It's yours. Okay, Zawar. It is slightly blurred to me, but it is fine. Okay, A, B, C, D. Angle B. Okay. And which angle was given? One more angle. अच्छा नहीं सही है ठीक है fine fine it's better. अच्छा you people solve for me. Let me take the. I'm giving you just a 1 minute time to start solving and start finding the answer. Parallelogram and solving it. Beta, let me draw it for you. Okay. Let me first see the question. BOC or BDC? सही है. Okay. Okay, Farooq and everybody who didn't got the solution, please be attentive. I'm explaining it to you on the whiteboard. Faraz, is the whiteboard visible? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay, good. Acha. Acha, listen. It was asked to draw a parallelogram ABCD first. Beta, what you have to do? First, you have to put the point A. You are well aware of the parallelogram, na? How the parallelogram is being made. A, just what you have to do is you have to mark the points. A, B. Now, where would be C? C would not be right in front, right, just right above B, because parallelogram has one side a little bit slanted. Okay. What I have done? I have pointed C and D. Okay, Farooq, this is purely for you and your friends who are not feeling comfortable while drawing it. What do you have to do? Okay, start with A. Join this with B. Then B to C. Then C to D. And finally, the initial and the final points. Okay? Is this clear to you? Farooq? Now is it clear to you? ठीक है, fine. Yes, beta, Anas, 40 is the correct answer. Now, it was given that angle, sorry, both the diagonals. So, what are the diagonals? AC, this was the diagonal. Sorry, let me draw it a little bit better. AC and BD are the two diagonals. If the parallelogram would be PQR, you would be drawing PR and QR. Okay, doesn't matter whatever the name of the parallelogram is given to you. Now, the angle between, it said the angle between the diagonals was 90 degree. So you can mark it like this. Okay. And students, if this is 90 degree, then this is also 90 degree. Let me use another color. If this is 90 degree, I mean say BOC, it said mark it as O. They meet at O. The two diagonals meet at O. Zawar showed it to me. He was right. This is point O where the two diagonals meet each other. It is very clear to you all. Mark it as O. Then angle BOC was given to you as 90 degree. So what I did, I marked this as 90 degree. This is a sign for 90 degree. Fine. And since it is a parallelogram, you can also mark it like this. Fine. Then what you people have to do, you have to mark the second angle which was given, what is this given? Angle OAB, sorry, BDC. BDC. So where is angle BDC, bhai? Angle BDC is over here. B, E, C, B, D, C. I told you in the previous class, see the middle one. See this D. The angle would be formed at D. What if I mark angle BDC like this? This would be wrong. This is not 50 degree. See, it is saying BDC. So from B, go to D and then C. So this portion is 50 degree. Beta, be very clever. The whole angle, you don't have to make the whole angle. Fine. Likewise, I drew the moment now. You have to only mark this portion as 50 degree because this is BDC. The whole is not BDC. The whole one is just angle D. Okay, now I need to find angle OAB. Where is O? Here is O, A, and B. Again, using the same technique, angle OA and B. So we observe the middle one. This is the middle one. So mark at A, very easy. This is the angle you need to find. So beta, I told you earlier that if this is 50, this angle would also be 50 because they are alternate angles. And if 50, you have to mark it right now. And if this is 90 degree, see, this angle was 90 degree. This angle BOC was 90 degree. So student, don't you observe that this whole angle, this complete is 180 degree and this portion is 90 degree. So what would be this small angle? This portion, angle AOB. Let me draw once again.
So 90 there.
Yes, this will also be 90 degree. So what was the, yes, what was the trick behind solving this?
Because
I meant to say what weapons do you used? What was your trick? The trick was not a complex trick. The trick was to use, yes, each and every property. Exactly.
The side are equal.
Yes. Use each and every property of parallelogram. You should recall what are alternate angles. You need to observe them and use at the right moment because 50 degree and 50 degree. If you won't be knowing alternate angles, I think it would be very difficult for you people to solve this. Okay. And once you got that what are alternate angles and you rightly observe this. Oh yes, if this is 50, this is also 50. Fine. So what you did, you got you immediately recalled what are alternate angles, and you use them and you approach to the result. So this was 90. So and since triangle AOB, two angles are given, the third one you can easily found it. Okay, you can easily find the third one. Now moving on to the slide. Okay, just a minute is left. So we have, you people have solved two questions, beta. This one. You have solved this one. Now this question you will be solving at home. I have given you hint. Okay, students. I have given you the hint over here also. I'll be sending it to you on Google Classroom. You can also take the screenshot if you want. I'm giving you 20 seconds. Quickly take a screenshot if you want to, or else I'll be uploading this on Google Classroom also. We on daily basis upload the current lesson on Google Classroom. So hurry up. If you want to take this screenshot, you may take. And the question is quite similar to the one you have just solved previously. Good. Okay. Fine. Now, beta, I have just 2 minutes. Points to remember. The points to be remembered are the same. Don't leave the meeting right now. I'm telling you, don't leave the meeting. Just wait for 2 minutes. Keep in mind the properties of quadrilateral, the angle properties, the geometrical properties, and the properties of triangle. These are the points to be remembered. Now, time for questions to be asked. If anybody has any question, he can ask me. Faraz, Saad, Nabil.
Sir, I have a question.
anyone. Yes, ask.
Sir, I have a question. Let you give the question homework, please. Explain.
Acha, you want me to explain the question which I have